Hi folks, Ben here with Pierre Driving School, covering question again. This morning question here is, can I use, a student asking, can I use my 5-hour class as many times as needed, as long as I still have the certificate? The answer to that is yes. You can use the 5-hour class as many times as necessary, as long as you have the certificate and it has not been 1 year from the expiration date. Let me say that slow. You can use your 5-hour class as many times as you wanted it until it reach up to 1 year from the issuing dates. Because the certificate, it's only valid for 1 year, all right? Those are the DMV policy on the 5-hour certificate, and no driving school can change that, because DMV have their own set of rules that all the Kings County, all the New York City, all the learner's permit holder have to follow, because they have their rules, okay? Now, if you let your 5-hour certificate expired, however, you have not yet done your road test, or you've done road test enough until it's expired, to get another 5-hour certificate, you have to get another class. Those are the DMV rules. You have to sit in the class again, because the one that you have has been expired. It's no longer good, all right? Now, if you lose the 5-hour certificate, however, and it's less than 1 year since you've done the 5-hour certificate, you still have to get you another certificate written out, because all the numbers are unique. They have to give you another certificate, but pick up from the date the first one was done. From the same school, you've done it. Okay, let me say that slow. From the same school, you have done it. You cannot do it from anywhere else. Anywhere else, you're gonna be considered new to them. You have to do a new 5-hour class. I've seen it. Students come to us with the paper. They want us to get them a new 5-hour class, but they said that they have done it in such a time already. It has not been expired yet, but we don't have it. They want to get a new 5-hour class. You can do that. It's gonna be a new 5-hour class, as you call it. It cannot be from the date that you have done the first one and you have to sit in our class, because that will be considered doing it with us for the first time. Now, if you do not want to sit in the class anymore, and it's less than a year since you've done the first one and you cannot find it for whatsoever, or you want to get you another one, you have to go back to the school you've done it, and they will charge you a fee to get you another one, but you don't have to sit in the class again. The only reason, because you have not yet been a year. If it's been more than a year, and if it's been in 1 year, 1 day, you have to sit in the class again. I've seen it. We've got it every single time. Students said, okay, I've done the class already. I don't want to sit in the class anymore. Yes, you don't have to sit in it if it has not yet been more than a year. If it's been more than a year, there's no around it. You have to take the class over again. And guess what? It keeps repeating itself until you pass your road test. Then you don't have, unless it's less than a year, then you will not have to be sitting in the 5-hour class. Just like the learner's permit, they give it to you for 4 or 5 years, whatever the time may be. After it expires, you have to go sit and take the written test again. Before, they used to give you a test. They don't give that anymore. Permit expires, you have to go to DMV, sit down and do the test again. Nothing changes. So those are the rules. Those are the rules that DMV set forth for the 5-hour certificate. And guess what? No driving school can change that, because why? DMV have their own set of rules. The driving school have to do nothing but to follow respectively DMV's rules in order to keep in business, because DMV are the owner of the 5-hour certificate. They are the one, they have their way they want it to get done. Please, I don't want you guys to get that confused, because sometimes when you guys come, you think that the driving school are the one who do not want to do this, do want to do that. No. DMV have the rules, the guidelines. We have to follow their guidelines. We do not make our own rules when it comes to driving school. Those are DMV rules. All we can do is to follow, okay? If If you guys have any concern, put it in the comment below. Or if you're confused, let me know so I can bring more clarity to this, as we have this question coming in a lot regarding the 5-hour class with the DMV rules. Once again, this is not our rules. Those are DMV rules. Only one thing we can do is just follow the rules. All right. So if you guys have any question, thought, and concern, put in the comment below, and let me know in the state that you live in. Does it require a 5-hour certificate in order for you to do a road test or whatnot? Or let me know what are the requirements in order for you to take a road test in the state that you live in. But here in New York City, you must have the 5-hour certificate. There's no around it. Those are the DMV rules. All we can do is to follow. Okay? Any concern and any comment? Any comment or concern? Any thought, comment, or concern? Put it in the comment below. Until then, like always, this been here with Pierre Driving School. All we can do is follow the rules. We cannot tell DMV what to do. We just have to follow what they're telling the driving school to do. All right. So if you are new here, consider to subscribe. This channel is all about driving, anything driving related. Put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our questions coming from, and we'll be more than happy to help you. This been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. If you have any question, put in the comment below. Every morning, we answered all the questions. That's why today we answer this question here. Every morning we answer all the questions that you guys have, so we can make sure we bring clarity so everyone can be on the same page. Understanding that driving requires some strong responsibility. It is our duty to educate ourselves in the best possible way that we can. Until then, keep practicing. This has been the Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.